Welcome to our video on what to do if you have a leak alarm. This video is a step-by-step guide on what to do if you have 3 red flashes and 3 beeps coming from your valve control every 30 seconds. The first thing to do is press the water off button, as this will mute the alarm but still leave your water safely off until the issue is resolved. Then you need to investigate what has caused the leak alarm. With a flow alarm, this could be due to a continuous flow of water that has exceeded the time limit that has been set on the valve control. This is normally 1 hour. If you are happy that the incident has been resolved, you are safe to turn your water back on by pressing the water on button on the valve control. If the reason for your alarm is not immediately obvious, the most common causes are a sticky toilet flush, swimming pool top-ups and faulty water softeners. Thank you for watching. If you have any other queries, please look at the other videos available on our YouTube channel or check out our support page at www.leaksafe.com.